transmitter Nike, and today I'm gonna present you this wonderful RC plane with remote flight control.
Let's open the box and see what we have in it. So we have a glider, one transmitter, USB charger, a propeller. Also we have some extra propellers too, also landing skid and 3 batteries. This is our instruction manual how we can use it, and now let's assemble our plane. Guys, trust me, it's a really easy process to assemble your plane, and you just need maximum 2 minutes to finish your job. The material of glider is EPP foam that gives you guarantee to be a very resistant to impact lightly and resiliently. Also, please take into consideration that there is no extra battery, so you should buy it by yourself. But good news is that there is 2 extra batteries for RC plane, and you will be able to enjoy full time. Now it's time to test our glider in outdoor. Please follow the instructions before you use it. You just need 1 minute to master yourself, even if you have no experience in it. Enjoy your life with this RC plane, and see you soon, my friends.